Hello, hello. Oh my gosh. So, Sarah V here, of course. So when you receive this specific email or video email, I will be enjoying my beautiful abundance tour, as I'm calling it, in Italy. So I am recording this before I leave, just so that you don't miss me too much. But I wanted to talk about, everything is just really falling into place exactly where I have always imagined it. And I know you've been hearing a lot about abundance, manifesting, and it's because it's actually happening to me. This is everything that I teach, everything that I guide my no matter what women is everything that I've experienced. This is really where healing begins. When I have healed something in myself, I then can heal others. This isn't just like, a book that I'm reading or, an article that I read. It's actually something that I've experienced. So I know how to lead others through it. And abundance has been something that was a major block for me. I mean, I'm actually doing. I've just hired two new coaches to actually unearth these cords that I have been holding onto all my life. And it's specifically about abundance. I won't get into the whole story of, why I have it and how, my beliefs, my lies that I used to tell myself, how they began. But the reason and the only reason why we have limitations in our life is because of something that we learned, something that was told to us that then became our identity. And I know that the week before, the last week's video was all about that as well. And there was something that really was the tool that I used over and over again. I have now made into a little product. They're my manifesting kits. And, the first way of healing ourselves is becoming aware, noticing the stories, because stories are in our heads that play that broken record over and over again. And my record was always telling me that I didn't deserve it. Only other people were allowed to have financial flow or to feel abundant. And this little kit that is now available to you, I'm so excited. It's on my website now, and I'm going to give you the link for it. But it was just something that I used, to help me to recognize the language or the stories that I kept listening to. And this little manifesting kit is so cute. I was just out at a retreat, as you know, last week in California, and I was one of the presenters there. And this little kit was so popular, and I'm so excited because what it does is, so you'll see, and I should have brought a sample here, but I didn't, is there's a little bowl, and it's a copper bowl. It's a beautiful little copper bowl made in India. And then there's some dissolvable paper. And the dissolvable paper kind of represent when obviously you put them into water, it dissolves and it evaporates, and you don't have it anymore blocking you. And what these little kits that are now available on my website, what they actually do is they help your subconscious mind realize how little power your thoughts actually have on you. Because you can actually just write down your thoughts, put them in the water, and you actually see that they have no power over you. And so in these little kits that you can check out on my website, and I'll give you the link in a second, is you'll get the bowl, you fill it with water, you have your strips of paper that you write down what you're noticing are the things that are blocking you. You write it down, and you put the strips in the paper, and they dissolve. There is also included in there a Palo Santo stick with a crystal. The Palo Santo is all about clearing, that you're actually making space in your body. So you want to clear that and make sure that it's pure. And then there's a little crystal, which is all about manifesting. It's a little quartz crystal all about manifesting. And then my favorite little thing that I love is there is a little heart stone that I collect all over the world. I don't know where yours would come from, but I collect heart stones because what that is it's kind of like an anchor to remind you that the only energy that is real, that is your truth, is about love. That's it. There is everything else, every other energy that you think is you, it's not. We are all about love. And when you are vibrating from the frequency of love, there's nothing can touch you. You are in such a high frequency. And that's why I collect heart stones. And I'm going to be in Italy. We're going to be going to a beach called Lido. And, instead of going to, the souvenir shops or to go shopping, I'm actually taking myself to a beach to collect Italian heart stones. So so if you align with these kits, maybe one of those stones will be coming from Italy, but I've collected them in California. I've collected them, here in Delaware. I've collected them all over the country, in San Diego, in everywhere. Everywhere there's a beach, I collect stones. Actually, even when I'm on walks, sorry about that pinging there. Even when I am on walks, I found the most beautiful heartstone just walking. I can't just walk. I can't just take a run because I'm always stopping to picking up stones. But anyway, so these little manifesting kits are my little baby because it really, really helped me begin the process of letting go, of healing those stories, of making myself aware of what I was telling myself. So I would love for you to, check these out. They're going to be on my website, as a permanent product, but I'm going to give you I'm going to put my glasses on because the link is just for right now, to check them out. It's sarahv.com/product/magnetic manifesting -kit/. But if you can't find it, please get in touch with me. I want you to check it out because it was the beginning of the little tools that I've used. I haven't done this alone. There's been so many tools that I have incorporated that have really helped me to be where I am, to be open to this incredibly abundant life, my abundant life in love, my abundant life in my health, my abundant life in deservability, allowing myself to receive what we all deserve. We all deserve to be abundant. It's our natural esoteric energy. So check it out. I'm not going to repeat the link again, but if you want to know more about them and I talk too fast, well, you can go back. So check it out. And I think I'm going to be coming the following week. Next week, I'm going to do a video from Italy. So you might see me in Italy. So check it out. But I really so appreciate you, watching these videos, being open to new possibilities, because the reason why I do this, my passion, is to help women and men, but mostly women, to really tap into who they are and the true potential that we have to manifest, to be the manifesting magnet that we all deserve to be, whether it is anything in your life. And this is, so I'm kind of like, I help you create the being energy so that you can manifest whatever it is that you want in your life. But we got to do the releasing. We got to do the healing, because if you are feeling stuck, that's just the blocks. You know, you're going to be hearing a lot more about this in my new book, Living with Lakshmi. But, you know, I don't want to not honor the book that I have coming out. And after this video, I'm actually talking to my editors. I'm going to see the front cover of this book that I've been working on, which is going to be coming out in September. But I'm going to be seeing my front cover for the first time, so I'm really excited. So I never thought that I would be manifesting books. I never thought I would be staying in a beautiful hotel in Italy, because I never thought I deserved that. So stay tuned. This year is going to be transformative for me, and I hope for you. So anyway, so you will be receiving this next week. I will be in Italy, and then I'm going to do another video in Italy, so you can kind of, you know, maybe I'll do like a tour around this beautiful old hotel that I'm staying in. So thank you so much. As always, check out that link that I did offer to you before. And I'm so grateful that you watch these to the end. Again, I am going to be doing no, I won't be doing my manifesting circles Sunday mornings at 9 a.m. I believe it is the 22nd, maybe. Yeah, it's the 22nd Sunday. I will not be coming and doing my healing circle. It's just too complicated because it's 7 hours ahead. And anyway, so I'm going to take that weekend off. So 22nd, we will not have our gathering, our manifesting circle, but then I will join you again the following week. So thank you so much. And yeah, I will talk to you on the other side. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.